For the past half-decade, the drone industry has been locked in an intense, high-stakes battle against gravity and government regulations. In the United States and across premium European markets, the magic number is exactly 249 grams. Cross that invisible line, and you are suddenly drowning in strict FAA registrations, uncompromising remote ID mandates, and heavily restricted flight zones. Stay under it, and the sky is literally yours. But packing professional, cinema-grade technology into a chassis that weighs less than a standard smartphone is an absolute engineering nightmare. Welcome back to TechVibe. We know you are tired of the same old clickbait telling you to blindly buy the latest toy. Today, we are dealing exclusively in facts. The current Mini 5 Pro is phenomenal, but the supply chain whispers and patent leaks surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are pointing to a technological leap that is going to make current generation owners seriously question their investments. We are talking about defying the laws of physics. Stick around, because we are breaking down the authentic leaks regarding the sensor, the revolutionary new build materials, and exactly when you can expect this powerhouse to hit the market. To truly understand why the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is dominating tech forums right now, we have to look directly at the camera module. The Mini series has always been a single camera system, forcing creators to rely on digital zoom that completely destroys image quality when you need a tighter shot. According to the most credible industry insiders, DJI is finally solving this by bringing a dual camera payload to the sub 250 gram weight class. We are looking at a primary wide-angle lens featuring a stacked 1-inch CMOS sensor, paired alongside a dedicated medium telephoto lens boasting a 1/1.3-inch sensor. If you shoot real estate in Miami or capture travel content across the Swiss Alps, a true optical telephoto lens compresses the background and creates a cinematic parallax effect that a wide-angle lens simply cannot achieve. Furthermore, the primary stack sensor is rumored to handle oversampled 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second, all encoded in 10-bit D-Log-M. This means you are getting the dynamic range, the color depth, and the buttery slow motion of a massive commercial rig, completely exempt from heavy bureaucratic red tape. Now, you might be asking a very logical question: how exactly does DJI add a second heavy camera sensor, maintain advanced processing chips, and still keep the entire package under that strict 249 gram legal limit? The answer lies in a complete overhaul of the drone's physical architecture. Current models rely on standard injection-molded plastics, which are cost-effective but relatively heavy. The leaks strongly indicate that the Mini 6 Pro will feature a chassis constructed from a proprietary carbon fiber reinforced polymer. This material shift serves two massive purposes. First, it aggressively shaves off the exact amount of weight needed to accommodate the new dual-camera gimbal. Second, it drastically increases the structural rigidity of the drone. When you are flying coastal routes with heavy, unpredictable sea breezes, a stiffer frame translates directly to smoother footage and significantly better wind resistance, potentially pushing the Mini 6 Pro into level 6 wind resistance territory. But the structural redesign is not just about weight and wind, it is addressing one of the biggest, most consistent complaints regarding the current generation of ultralight drones, which is the noise. If you have flown the recent models, you know they produce a high-pitched, buzzing frequency that draws immediate, unwanted attention in quiet neighborhoods or serene nature parks. DJI acoustic engineers have reportedly developed a completely new aerodynamic swept-wing propeller design for the Mini 6 Pro, coupled with next-generation brushless motors that operate at a lower rotational frequency. The result is a drone that is not only quieter in decibel volume but produces a much deeper, lower-pitched sound that blends naturally into ambient background noise. For premium creators who value discretion and want to capture authentic moments without disturbing the peace, this acoustic upgrade is arguably just as important as the camera itself. Let us transition into the brains behind the operation. Flying a $1,000 piece of equipment into the sky requires absolute trust in the software, and the obstacle avoidance system on the Mini 6 Pro is getting a monumental upgrade. While previous iterations utilize standard visual sensors that require ample daylight, the upcoming model is fully expected to inherit the Nightscape LiDAR technology currently reserved for DJI's heaviest professional rigs. By utilizing active laser pulses to map the environment in real-time three-dimensional space, the drone can seamlessly detect thin power lines, leafless winter branches, and complex urban geometry even in pitch-black conditions. Paired with a new AI-driven neural processing unit, the active track algorithms will no longer just follow a subject, they will actively predict your subject's trajectory. If you are tracking a mountain biker who momentarily disappears behind a dense patch of trees, the drone will intelligently calculate their speed and heading, reposition itself automatically, and pick up the shot perfectly on the other side. It is basically having an invisible Hollywood camera operator doing the hard work for you. Signal reliability is the absolute lifeblood of aerial photography, particularly in the United States and the United Kingdom, where urban centers are heavily saturated with competing Wi-Fi and radio signals. The DJI Mini 6 Pro will launch with the ultra-robust O5 video transmission system, also known as OcuSync 5. While the marketing materials will likely boast maximum ranges exceeding 20 kilometers, the true value of O5 for the average creator is raw penetration power. You will receive a crystal clear, 60 frame per second, 1080p live feed to your remote controller perfectly intact, even when flying behind large concrete skyscrapers, heavily dense foliage, or through massive residential interference. When you are lining up a once-in-a-lifetime tracking shot, a frozen video feed is not an option. The O5 system guarantees that your connection remains flawless and responsive when the pressure is on. Finally, we have to address the power source. The implementation of high-density silicon anode battery technology is changing the mathematics of flight time. Even with the added power draw of the dual cameras, the LiDAR system, and the heavy AI processing, the standard ultralight battery is projected to easily clear 45 minutes of continuous flight. If you operate in an area where you do not mind legally registering your drone and pushing past the weight limit, the rumored Intelligent Flight Battery Plus will keep you airborne for an astonishing hour and 5 minutes. This practically eliminates battery anxiety, allowing you to launch, scout your perfect location, wait precisely for the golden hour lighting to hit, capture multiple takes, and return home all on a single charge. So, based on the current manufacturing momentum and DJI's historical launch cycles, when will this engineering marvel actually materialize? The consensus among reliable leakers points to a spring 2027 release window, giving the current Mini 5 Pro ample time to breathe in the market. Pricing is expected to reflect the premium technology packed inside, with the standard package starting around $1,100, and the heavily desired Fly More combo with the built-in screen controller likely approaching $1,500. While it is a significant investment, you are getting an unrestricted, dual-camera professional cinematography tool that fits comfortably inside a small camera bag. That concludes our comprehensive breakdown of the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. We skip the hype and bring you the raw, unfiltered tech analysis you actually need. If you appreciate authentic information and deep-dive technical insights, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the TechVibe community. Drop a comment below and let us know, is the addition of a dual camera system and carbon fiber chassis enough to make you wait for the Mini 6 Pro, or are the current models already powerful enough for your needs? Keep innovating, fly safe, and we will catch you in the next breakdown.